What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add base chain to MetaMask wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, what you have to do is you just have to go to your MetaMask wallet. In the MetaMask wallet, just tap on the chain and you will be able to see your crypto networks or crypto chains. Just click on this add network. After clicking on add network underneath these options, as you can see, there is this base chain right here. However, if you click on this, it will be added. Now, just click on this approve and the base chain network will be added right here. However, just in case if you cannot find it right here, what you have to do is you just have to click on this add network and in the add network, click on add network manually. Now, in the add network manually, what you have to do is you just have to go to Google, search for base network RPC. If you click on that and then click on network information, you will be able to see all of this information. Here, just copy the information from this page and then paste it right here. You'll be able to add it manually just in case if you cannot find it right here on this network pages. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.